Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, roll, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher, got no time for that.
Back my channel. You're going to sleepy dog ride.
You're silly. Are you really excited? I hope that you're tall enough for a slinky dog ride. There's Jules. Jules, you excited?
I am excited. I'm very excited.
What ride are you looking forward to?
I don't know. Space Mountain. Actually.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that one.
Ooh, Jules likes Space Mountain.
I really like how the inside of that one looks like with the lines.
Yeah.
Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company.
So it is about almost 8:15. We finally boarded. They took a long time to deplane from the previous flight and to get it clean. So I don't know what happened there, but we were supposed to leave at 8 and we're still not. We're still like, people are still boarding. I don't know, hopefully we can make up some time because I need to get to Disney. This one's already gone through her. You're all done with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she's already went through all of her toys.
I need help.
Okay, I'll do it. Why don't you watch your tablet? Because once we get on the plane, it's not going to work. You want your sweatshirt? Are you cold? All right, not too bad of a delay. We didn't get off the ground until 9 o'clock, and we're off the plane. It's 11:30, so we're supposed to land at 11 initially. So I think they made up time pretty good. We got in and out of the plane pretty quick. So anyway, we're here. We just made it. We are in Orlando, so we're gonna go to baggage claim and get this party started for Jules' birthday.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
And this girl's hungry. So today, since we flew Spirit, we went into, I forgot what this is. If this is Terminal B. Yeah, we gotta take the train over here. So this is what entails. We have to take the train. Alright, we just stopped at Target to go get some groceries for the days that we're here, and we'll be on our way. Terrible vlogger. So we got checked in. Our room is not ready yet, so we just decided to get some stuff to eat. My battery died. Yeah, so I got a shrimp bowl and Lucia got a hamburger. So we're gonna finish eating and then we're gonna head off to the water park and check that out because something we've never done at Disney. This is our first time here. We are here at Blizzard Beach. All the times I came to Disney, this is the first time I've ever been to one of their water parks. So we're about to check it out and come check it out with us. Maybe you've never experienced it either. So Disney is running a promotion this year where if you stay at a Disney resort, the first day that you arrive, you get into one of the water parks for free. So that's why we're like, you know what, let's go check it out. Alright, so let's get going and let's see what this has to offer. Okay, all right. Okay, you ready, Lucia? Yeah. All right, here we go. Oh no! Oh no! All right. So it is about 6:45. We just got back to the hotel. Oh, well, okay, go press it. Oh my god. So, we just got home, we just got home. No. Press the other one, press the other one. There you go. We're going down. Now we gotta make sure it's down. Alright, it is about 7 o'clock. We just got back to the resort. We're here back at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And we're going to get some pool time in over here. So I actually was surprised because I thought there was a splash pad here. But again, we didn't use the pool last time we came because it was too late. So we just went on the playground. We didn't get a chance to go in the pool. So they do have, I know, like some hot tubs and small pools. In addition to the big pool, but I asked the bartender, so I don't know if he was directing me wrong, but there is no splash pad here. So I was kind of bummed about that, but Lucia's having fun. I gave her a little life jacket, and she's swimming around. There's a slide. She's a little scared. She went in the slide, where were we? At Port Orleans? Is that where she went? Well, actually, we didn't go to the pool there. I don't know. Anyway. She has gone in those, oh, maybe it was French Quarter. I remember she went on the slide just fine, but she didn't really want to do that right now. So, whatever, you never know. So she's just swimming around, like here I'm watching her. My thoughts on Blizzard Beach. I'll be honest, I'm not really a fan. If it wasn't for the fact that it was free, because Disney is doing the promotion right now that if you're staying on a Disney property, you get to get into one of their water parks for free the first night of your arrival. So we had this opportunity last trip, but it just didn't fit into our schedule. So I thought let's try it this time and just relax more because the rest of our trip is going to be a little bit crazy. Hold on, I was being called. So the last trip, it didn't really fit into our schedule. So rest of our trips can be a little bit crazy with like up early, go, whatever. We're doing a lot of split stays, so I was like, you know what, let's just go. So we went for like about an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. I think we got there at like 3 or 3:30 and we stayed till 5:30, so yeah, it was about 2 hours. I think if you had older kids, it might be more fun. And I don't know, don't come at me in the comments. Well, maybe come at me, but maybe we just didn't get there early enough to experience it. My daughter's screaming here. But there is like the small section, Peaks, what is it? Peaks, I'm forgetting the name right now, Peaks Pike or something. It's more geared toward kids under 48 inches, so they have a lot of different variations of slides and things that are like great for like kids her age, so that was great. But as a parent, like there's only so much you could do with doing the same slide over and over and over again, so that kind of got old for me real quick. You know, just doing the same thing. So yeah, that 2 hours, it was just like, okay, let's get out of here. So luckily they closed at 6, so we just left. Now we're here. Would I do it again? If it was free, maybe. And again, like I would do it on definitely on an arrival day. I don't think I would do it on a depart, like coming back. And I definitely would not pay the $60 or $70, whatever. I don't even know what they're charging, but no, I would rather put that money into your resort and go invest, even if it means like you're switching hotels or whatever to be in a nicer pool, and go stay at your hotel pool, because Disney itself has really nice pools and splash pads. So yeah, I wouldn't pay extra for that. Hold on, my daughter's here again. JYA, yes. That's not ours. Yeah, that's not ours. You're looking for the towel? You're looking for the towel? You're looking for the towel? Okay.
I get to talk to my friends.
You have friends here?
Yeah.
She has friends here. She's like, peace out, Mom. I'm gonna go talk to my friends. Yeah, so I guess I would do it again if it was free. Those are the conditions. If it was free and if it was an arrival day, yes, definitely would do it. Or do like if it was free and an off day, which they don't offer, but you know, whatever. So I would just rather like spend more time at the resort, because these resorts cost so much money. Like, you know, I would just rather do that. So anyway, it is about 7:15. We lost Jules. She actually didn't eat lunch because she ate ramen noodles on the plane. So she wasn't hungry when we were eating lunch. Now she's hungry, so I told her to go eat and then meet us back here. So that's what she's doing. Plus, she probably needs a break from the two of us. So yeah, she's just doing that, and we're getting some pool time in before it gets dark. So yeah, Animal Kingdom Lodge is the second time we stayed here. Very nice. Definitely would like to stay here in the future again. It's always a winner. The reason why I don't tend to gravitate or book this resort is because of the transportation. Now I do hear that transportation is not that alright. So I do tend to hear that the traffic from this resort is not bad, like when you're going to Magic Kingdom and everything. I have not personally tried it out for myself because I really honestly try to avoid the buses with her. I'm a little spoiled, but yeah. So tomorrow we're going to Magic Kingdom and I plan to take a minivan. I'm like, my husband's not here. We're just gonna splurge and do it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go check in. We're going over to the Grand Floridian tomorrow. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go there tomorrow. So tomorrow we're just gonna go splurge and take the minivan over there, I think, and then so we can get there faster and you know all the things. So anyway, so yeah, let's let her enjoy the pool time. I think I'm like burned out I was thinking she wanted to do the slide. I was gonna go do the slide with her, but she doesn't want to do that. And honestly, it's getting a little chilly over here. I don't know what the weather is right now, but. All right, it is like after 10 o'clock. We have a big day tomorrow. We're going to Magic Kingdom, so I think this is gonna conclude my vlog for today. Travel vlog accomplished. So if you made this far in this video, I would love it if you would put an animal emoji, your favorite animal emoji that you can find in the comments, please. Yeah, if we're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share a lot of Disney content, so stick around. Give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. Ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Stay tuned for future vlogs. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the